Welcome, viewers. In this session, we will move beyond basic stock picking and understand the invisible forces that drive the Indian stock market. Have you ever wondered why the Nifty suddenly shoots up or crashes in the middle of the day without any domestic news? Or why the market opens with a huge gap up or gap down? The answer often lies thousands of miles away. Today, we will learn exactly what you need to check before the market opens at 9:15 a.m. and what you must monitor during the trading day to stay ahead of the curve. If you are new to this channel, please like this video and subscribe our channel to get for more contents like this. Let's begin. Chapter 1. The pre-market ritual. Before 9:15 a.m., before the Indian market bell rings at 9:15 a.m., every serious trader and investor must look at one specific indicator, the American markets. Specifically, you need to check the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Why? Because the Indian market, like most global markets, often mirrors the sentiment of the US economy. The US market is the engine of the global financial system. If the American markets close significantly higher the previous night, there is a strong probability that the Indian markets will open with positive sentiment. Conversely, if Wall Street witnessed a bloodbath, do not expect a sunny morning on Dalal Street. Action step: before 9 a.m., open your financial app or Google and check how the Dow Jones closed. Did it rally by 500 points? Expect a strong opening for Nifty. Did it crash by 500 points? Be prepared for selling pressure right from the opening bell. While this isn't a 100% fixed rule, it is a high probability indicator of market sentiment. It sets the mood for the day. Chapter 2. The Silent Mover. Dow futures now, the market has opened. It is 10 a.m. The US markets are closed, so their influence is over, right? Wrong. This is where many beginners make a mistake. Even when the US stock market is closed, the US futures market is trading live 24 bar 7. This is known as Dow Jones Futures. Imagine the Indian market is trading flat. Suddenly at 10:30 a.m., you see a sharp drop in Nifty. You check the news, no bad results, no government announcements. What happened? Likely the Dow futures just crashed. The Dow futures indicate what the American market is expected to do when it opens later that night. If Dow futures suddenly turn deep red during Indian trading hours, smart money in India starts selling immediately, anticipating a global sell-off. Action step: during market hours, keep a tab open for Dow Jones futures on websites like investing.com. If you see extreme movements, big spikes or big drops, expect a ripple effect in the Indian market within minutes. Chapter 3. The Midday Twist. Have you noticed that the Indian market often changes its trend between 12 p.m. and 1:30 p.m.? A boring, flat market suddenly becomes volatile. This happens because the European markets are waking up. Around 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, markets in Germany DAX, France CAC, and the UK FTSE open for trading. Since Europe is a massive economic bloc, their opening sentiment impacts global liquidity. If European markets open with a gap up, it can fuel a rally in Nifty in the second half of the day. If they open with deep cuts, it can drag the Indian market down, erasing morning gains. Action steps. If you're an intraday trader, be extra cautious during this time window 12 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Watch the global indices. If the DAX Germany or FTSE UK opens with significant volatility, adjust your stop losses accordingly. Conclusion. To summarize, the Indian stock market does not exist in isolation. It is part of a connected global web. To trade smarter, follow this simple routine. Before 9:15 a.m., check the closing price of the US market's Dow Jones to predict the opening sentiment. During the day, keep an eye on Dow futures to spot sudden shifts in global mood. After 12:30 p.m., watch the opening of European markets to anticipate second half volatility. By mastering these three global cues, you move from being a reactive trader to a proactive one. You are no longer guessing, you are reading the pulse of the world. This concludes the session on global market cues. Happy trading. Thank you for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to our channel for more useful and informative contents.